Before the opening bell, U.S. futures attempting to rebound as the World Health Organization declared a world emergency for the coronavirus, but with no travel restrictions. Now, U.S. indices, they did close up on Thursday, lifted by software and services, food, beverage and tobacco, and diversified financials. While on the economic docket, the U.S. Commerce Department went on to report that fourth quarter GDP grew at an annualized rate of 2.1% on the quarter, in line with expectations. Initial jobless claims falling to 216,000, and the week ended January 25th, while continuing claims, they fell to 1.703 thousand for the week ended January 18th, more than anticipated. Meanwhile, taking a look at the markets after hours, Amazon expected to jump as the company posted fourth quarter EPS of $6.47, significantly exceeding estimates, up from $6.04 a year ago on net sales of $87.4 billion. Visa releasing first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.46, in line with expectations, up from $1.30 a year ago on revenue of $6.1 billion, lower than expected, while IBM announced the appointment of Arvind Krishna, currently its Senior Vice President for Cloud and Cognitive Software, as its CEO effective April 6. Meanwhile, in terms of expectations today, we do have a full docket. We have ExxonMobil, Chevron, Honeywell, Caterpillar, Colgate-Palmolive, as well as Aon PLC. At the same time, on the economic docket today, before the opening bell, we have the December core PCE price index, as well as personal income and personal spending figures, and the fourth quarter employment cost benefits. Right after the opening bell, we have Chicago PMI at 9:45, and we also have January Michigan consumer sentiment, the final read. Taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 is where I begin. That sees a consolidation in place and is also in focus as the relative strength index has struck against a major resistance around 70% and reversing down. Short positions below 32.89 are favored with a 32.65 and 32.55 in extension. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq sees a consolidation in place and the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail.